What's cooking? Unveiling the meaning of a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a fun and commonly used phrase in English, what's cooking? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add flair to your conversations. So, let's dive in and uncover the essence of this phrase. What's cooking might immediately bring to mind images of someone cooking in the kitchen. Literally, this phrase could be used to ask someone what they are cooking or preparing to eat. But there's more to this phrase than its literal meaning. Let's explore its figurative sense in the next section. In a figurative sense, what's cooking is a casual and friendly way to ask someone, what's happening? Or, what's going on? It's often used as a greeting or a conversation starter. This phrase can be a great icebreaker, especially in informal settings. Remember, it's more about showing interest in someone's life or activities rather than inquiring about actual cooking. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. At a reunion, hey, long time no see. What's cooking? On a phone call, I just called to catch up. So, what's cooking? In a text message, haven't heard from you in ages. What's cooking? Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to inquire about the person's life or recent activities, not about their culinary skills. This phrase is predominantly used in American English and might be less common or understood differently in other English-speaking countries. There are similar phrases like, what's up? Or, what's going on? That serve the same purpose and are more universally understood. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, what's cooking? We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding and the confidence to use this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to try out what you've learned. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.